Think of Geo-exchange as a thermal piggy bank. With Geo-exchange, Princeton University can harvest heat out of the campus buildings in the summer and then send that heat down into deep holes in the ground through a closed-loop system to warm the rock beneath the surface. When the winter comes, that energy is recovered from the rock to heat the campus buildings and to generate domestic hot water. Princeton's installing one of the world's largest Geo-exchange systems on our campus. It's going to involve thousands of Geo-exchange boreholes that will engage about 50 billion pounds of rock under the surface of the campus. These are the rocks that have been under Princeton for millennia. We just have never really thought in 3 dimensions below the soil. We do the Geo-exchange bores 850 feet deep. That is like a 70-story building. That is the height of 30 Rockefeller Center. If you think hundreds of feet by 850 feet deep, that is a huge cube of rock that we can engage and very slightly warm up as a storage vessel for a whole season worth of heat. The most important benefit of the work that we're doing is reducing Princeton's carbon footprint and ideally reducing the global carbon footprint to 0. Princeton's really a leader in this area because many others have done one or many of these things that we're trying to do, but we've really sort of done all of the above. Tighten the buildings, convert from steam to hot water, add a hot water district energy system, add a heat pump plant, and then we need to power all of that with renewable energy. We've already installed 16.5 megawatts of solar, and we're continuing to build out more and more solar on campus. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of people involved in this work. It's the global impact that really matters. If we just did this on our campus and nobody else paid attention, it would be a nice academic exercise. Until we can actually make a difference beyond Princeton's gates, we haven't finished our work. And I can't think of a more important problem that I could be working on.